In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Slides on Zoom. Now, whether you're hosting a business presentation, an educational webinar, or simply connecting with friends for a creative session, sharing your slides efficiently can make a world of difference. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your Google Slides presentation. Make sure you're logged into your Google account and then navigate to the Google Slides app or website. Once you're there, locate and open the presentation you wish to share. It's a good idea to review your slides beforehand to ensure everything is in proper order and there are no last-minute changes to be made. Remember, preparation is key to a successful presentation. Now that you've got your slides open and ready, it's time to set up your Zoom meeting. Open up your Zoom application or go to the Zoom website. Sign in with your credentials and start your meeting as you normally would. If you're hosting the meeting, you have the ultimate control over what and when to share. If you're a participant, you'll need to wait until the host enables screen sharing. Once your meeting is up and running, look at the controls typically found at the bottom of the Zoom window. Among these options, you'll find the Share button, a green icon with an upward pointing arrow. Click it. Doing so prompts a new dialog window to appear, listing the various options and screens you can share. It's important to take a moment here to select the right one to ensure you're maximizing your communication effectively. In this new window, you should see all the open programs on your computer, including your Google Slides window. Since you've kept Google Slides open and ready, it should appear among these options. Carefully select your Google Slides window to highlight it for sharing. This selection tells Zoom that you want to share this specific content with your audience, making sure you're sharing the exact window intended, rather than your entire screen, which can lead to unnecessary distractions. Now, click on the Share button at the bottom right of this dialog window. Once you click Share, your Google Slides will become visible to everyone on the call, and they can follow along as you present. It's advisable to keep track of time, engage with your audience through discussions or questions, and if feasible, consider using presentation mode in Google Slides to give your presentation a more professional polish. Should you need to stop sharing at any point, simply hit Stop Share, usually found hovering at the top of your Zoom window. And there you have it. Sharing your Google Slides on Zoom is as straightforward as that. With these steps, you can ensure that your message is communicated clearly and professionally to your audience. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps in your next Zoom presentation. Happy presenting!